Change your life 1 second at a time, one word with a rhyme, 1 minute at a time. Yes, love your life because it is here to love and to be loved and to enjoy every single moment that we have in this beautiful earth that we call heaven if we are in the right state of mind. Because words are a window to your world, and when you change your words, you change your life, because your words is how you see your life. This is Jai's new song. He created it himself, yes. World, you could be anyone. Don't limit yourself, because you are a star in the sky, floating in the atmosphere, able to create. You are a creator. Be everything you like and love to be, because we are amazing, transcendent beings of spiritual creation, having a temporary human experience the spirit inside of you to be so lively that you praise every day in every way.
You know, every day you can do what you like.
Do what you love. Love the life that you live the life that you love, feed the life that you love, live the life that you love the life that you live, feed the life that you love. Presented by Jai Om. This song is called Metchool Love, a word that Jai created. What does Metchool mean?
It means the opposite of depression, love and happiness, not anger and sadness.
We love you. Peace be with you.